The success of Asia's economic miracle can be attributed to many factors: policy focus and centralized planning, the mobilization of people and capital, and the ability of governments to take the long-term view. Asia got ahead in manufacturing the same way as all newly industrializing countries have done since the Industrial Revolution: beg, borrow, or steal technology and replicate more cheaply than incumbents. But this only works for a bit. There's always someone else around the corner. At some point, you have to figure it out for yourself to stay ahead. The Koreans and the Taiwanese did, and the days of cheaper, low-quality goods from there are far behind. Together, they produce high-quality goods from kitchen appliances, cars, electronic devices, to cutting-edge semiconductors, ships, and capital equipment. China is following the same path, and we're now seeing Chinese products as a match for Western peers, and in certain cases surpassing them. If China can dominate in its sectors the way the Koreans and Taiwanese have in theirs, then the renewed impetus in spending power of Chinese citizens will have a significant impact on the prospects for the region, for companies, and for investments.